Hi guys, Ron here from Out and About Outdoors. I'm here with my buddy Bahama Jim. We're out here. We're gonna go on a overnight camping trip. We're at a little place we found. We'll fill you in on that if we don't like it, but if we like it, you'll never know the name of the place. Costs us only $5 a person to be able to come here and go camping. It ain't a bad price, right, Jim?
No, sir.
Unless we get eaten by bears. But anyway, we're setting out. And hey, brought you all along. We're on the road to Bethlehem. Okay, right there. See it? Road to Bethlehem. Okay. All right, let's go. Dang it, Jim! You got me on the wrong trail. The road to Bethlehem. Oh Lordy. Good thing I'm over 40. I don't know, I've been on the 1800 trail before.
It's where loggers have the only access to get on a trail, and they put actual steps going up the side of the mountain. That's how they got to work every day.
1,000 steps up?
1,040.
To be exact. How about that? We're still following this one. Going the right way?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What?
Plow point hits you. They put it long way.
Yeah.
And your tarp has to be.
I don't know what my tarp is. We're out here hiking and I see what looks like a downed hemlock tree, so we'll go over check it out, see if it has any reishi mushrooms on. Let's go, Jim. Might as well do a little mushroom hunting while we're out here tramping around. Well, it looked promising, but I don't think there's any on it. Well, if they'd be on it, it'd be on it. You'd see them. They kind of look like a bracket fungus. You don't see anything like that, do you? All right. Well, let's get back on the trail before we get lost. Yep. Yeah, you don't want to lose it, right?
No, man, that's an old buck knife from a long time ago. You don't appreciate the accomplishment of others until they're gone.
Yeah. Well, it's not an edible mushroom, believe it or not. It's just a gut wrencher, my daughter would call it. Poopy pain. Some things are just best left alone. Hammock.
Yeah, perfect hang.
Oh. A backpack stop. Hanger hammock.
Oh yeah, like that's what I want to do with my smaller backpack. Just go out with my hammock and just. I did that down in Nespec State Park.
Yeah.
I took a chair in and I'm not going to hang either one of them. Oh, I hung the hammock and just fit.
Oh, did you go back since we were there?
I went the day after.
Yeah.
That's what I wanted to do, some fishing trips.
Oh. How'd you make out?
A lot of bites, but nothing. Not setting a hook.
Yes, they are.
Oh my gosh. Can't you imagine?
These are growing right on the wood, but I don't think they're a safe mushroom to eat. Like I said before, many a time, and I'll say it again, if you don't know if it's good to eat, don't eat it. We're getting there. What are we, about halfway to the spot?
Yep.
On the road to Bethlehem. Little birch bark. Just a little. I'll keep a hold of some of this for later today when I make my fire.
That's awesome.
Oh, there's a big old tree snapped off right there. Must have been some wicked weather. So we finally reached the spot here, and we're going to check out the view we can get. It's kind of pretty nice, high over the Susquehanna River. All right, welcome to the overlook. It was an Eagle Scout project by Logan Harding, Troop 352 in West Pittston, PA. Nice job, Weston. Well, most of Pennsylvania looks like Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
You like that one?
Yeah. Yeah, we can go fishing down there.
Yeah, you just got to crawl all the way down. You got to crawl all the way down and crawl all the way back up. I don't know if I want to crawl all the way down that. Look at that. That's all downhill, man. All downhill. Quick break. Check that out. Pretty nice, huh? Cell tower right over there. I mean, as far out as we had to hike to get here. A cell tower right there. Like, you ain't that far from civilization, no matter where you go. Hey, Ron's here from Out and About Outdoors. I'm here with Bahama Jim. He's over there. We hiked out here. I think this is called Camp Lackawanna. It's Lackawanna County, Pennsylvania. Right off the Schuylkill, not the Schuylkill, I'm sorry, Susquehanna River. So many rivers I know about in Pennsylvania. This is, I think it's the West Branch. I think. It could be the East Branch, but it's one of the branches of the Susquehanna River here. And anyway, this is the halfway point. So we wanted to make it to our halfway point. And we're going to go probably a little bit past that. And we're going to camp. We brought the backpack and all the goodies. I know everybody wants to see somebody's kit. You know what? I'm not going to show you my kit because as I walk around and I do the video when we're eating and stuff, you'll see everything I have. You know, it's what I brought with. It's not famous stuff. It's camping gear. You know, I got a tarp here. See that tarp? You know where that tarp came from? My daughter bought it and she got it at Harbor Freight. Okay? So anyway, most of this stuff isn't even mine. It's my daughter's. She let me borrow it so I can go camping with Jim. Hi, Jim. See Jim down there?
Hi, guys.
We're just out here enjoying the day. People like to see, you know, different things that we do. So Jim and I are doing a video together. We're doing a collaboration. He's camping. It's actually his idea for me to come here. Jim does a lot of camping videos. And he does a lot of hike videos. So I encourage you all to go check out his channel. I will leave the description down there in the bottom. And you know what? I don't usually do this, but I'll tag one of Jim's videos on the end screen. So if you want, you can, when it gets to the end of this video, you can go click on the end screen and see one of Jim's videos. How's that? And that'll take you to his channel and you can check him out. And see, I like Jim. Jim's a good guy, you know, good family man, and you know, enjoys the outdoors. What else is there to be except a good outdoorsman and a friendly person, right? So anyway, quit ranting, get back to hiking. Glad you came with, and I hope you enjoy it. Hey, by the way, I hope you enjoy it enough that if you're not a subscriber, maybe you go ahead and click the subscribe bell. And hey, when you're done clicking my, just go over there and check Jim's videos out. If you like Jim, hit his subscribe bell, okay? And you know, that way you keep up to date and everything, and check out what we're doing. And you know, maybe you can't get out and go hiking and do all this stuff anymore, but you can watch a YouTube video. So where I'll be out there making videos for you to watch, okay? Really all I got to say for now, but we'll get into doing some other stuff here when we get to our final resting point and pick out a spot to make hot dogs. My favorite camp food, hot dogs on a stick. All right? Catch you later when we get there. Hey guys, this is Ron from Out and About Outdoors. I'm going to do the Pledge Allegiance to the Flag challenge that my buddy here, Bahama Jim, decided that, well, you know, I had to be tagged into. So before I'm done, I will let you know who else I would like to tag, because if we're going to keep the problem going, we're going to keep it going. It's not a problem. Anyway, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And I'd like to take the opportunity to tag blue collar fishing, and I'd also like to take the opportunity to tag Obsession Outdoors with doing the same challenge. Hope you guys are brushed up on it. If not, we'll give you a couple weeks to get brushed up on it, but I'd like to see y'all support the country that gives you guys the opportunity to go out and enjoy the outdoors like this was. All right? Okay. Well, how many snakes live in this wall? I've been following that wall for a while. I'm not feeling herpy right now. There's another mushroom, Melissa, hanging off of this. Something was eating on it. You can see her right there. A bit. It's like an old dead elm tree. Ash borer beetle must have got to it. Oh well. Think about it. That's what the Mexican border is going to look like. Huh? Only a lot higher.
And after a year, that's what it'll look like.
And then that's where they come through, so you can set up there. You know, catch them when they come. Probably where the deer jump come across. Jim's having fun over here, goofing on the recklessness of others and you know, the problems of other people anyway. I got all kind of problems. I probably could jump that wall if I wanted to. I gotta stay on this side.
You gotta stoop, bud.
Yeah. Just likes to pick on me. Like you, Harry. Just like you, Harry.
Hi, Harry.
Hey?
This was no joke. You know what I mean?
And who is this?
Are you recording?
I think he was talking about his brother Joe.
No, because they don't understand.
Made it down through here quite a ways now. Getting ready to find us a spot to spend the night, set up camp. Make us a little fire, cook us some grub, you know, relax for the rest of the day.
Chillax.
Chilling out and relaxing. That's what it's all about. Great time. Mosquitoes are bad here. Came into this area here. It's like an old maybe an old pond or something that occurred when you put the road in. But mosquitoes are pretty good. Anyway, taking a break. Found myself a nice sitting spot. Sit here, get a drink, put some water in me, relax a little bit. Trying to get the better part of the hike over with. So tomorrow morning when we wake up, all we got to do is finish hiking out to the car and head home. Not bad. Actually pretty nice here. I think Jim's going to crawl around in the creek down there and make a mud hole out of the mud hole. Not sure. Anyway, back to y'all later. Wouldn't be right for me to keep walking and not show you all the finds, but there's some mushroom over here. I think these are oyster mushrooms. That's what they look like. They're old, so I don't think they're at the point where you want to eat them right now. And then we got some false mushrooms in here of some sort. Not exactly sure what those are, but I wouldn't eat any of them. But I'm thinking them white ones might be safe. I'll find out from my daughter when she looks at the video and she'll let us know. All right. Meantime, Jim and I are miles from the starting point now. How far into this again? Now 3.5?
4 miles.
4 miles into it now. So, still haven't found that magical spot that says, hey, camp here for tonight, but
Water.
that's what we're looking for. Some nice trickly stream, you know, where we can make a little pool and, you know, cool off a little by splashing some water on yourself, you know. Anyway, this is nice out here. You never experienced just going out in the woods and hiking and hanging out. Bring your thermocell. Bring your thermocell, believe me. I got all the bugs around me because mine's not on it. Jim's over there, he ain't got a bug in the world. I don't like him anyway, so. Man, it's nice. It's not. I bet it's 10 degrees cooler under these trees.
Gotta be.
My wife says it's like 100 back home, so. Anyway,
Almost home.
we're going to keep going. I live right down the street from me, Mans. Take the road to Emmaus. And you'll get there, Ron. You'll get there. Alright, so we found a spot right here. Nice cherry tree there and a nice maple. You know. And, no big dead trees hanging out here. We got a couple down ones. We can use plenty of firewood laying around. We can clean this up a little bit and make a nice spot in here for me to put up a tarp and put out a bedroll and call it a night. I think this would be a good spot right here. Don't look like any game trails going through it, so should be all right. Okay. Hey, we get down to it. We'll show you the place when we get it all set up. Jimmy's over there working on his. All right, it's not much, but it's camp. All right, spend the night. Got the fan going already. Throw the thermocell down in there and, you know, kill the bugs. Chase them away anyway. And, overnight here, it's going to be about 65, so, you know, how much do you need to have? Right? Got plenty of room, put everything in there if I have to. And, yeah, should be nice. Okay, we're going to get ready to do some cooking here. It's now time for the infamous hot dog march. Time to heat some hot dogs.
Good hike.
We got the fire rolling. Nice fire. Jimmy's over there with him in a hot dog stick. I already got mine ready. We got 2 hanging already. It ain't better than that.
flyby. I was going to do a weenie flyby. If I have one or two at the end, I'm good. You can keep friggin' it.
Got 4 of them on there, one shot. Almost as good as grilling them. Huh, Jim?
I think so, sir.
Jimmy's got his fire smoldering away. We got smoked hot dogs and mac and cheese. Never had this before, but I'm gonna try it. What else you do when you go camping, right? Eat stuff you shouldn't, but I'm gonna eat it. I'm hungry. I reckon. Hey guys, Ron here, Mountain About Outdoors. Hey, it's that time of the night. Getting dark. It's around 8:30 now. So laying down. Jim's still messing around over at the fire, but I'm sure he'll be calling it a night here soon too. Over there. I don't know, maybe the smoke's in your eyes or something, but he's over there. Alright, so anyway, calling it a night. We'll see you guys in the morning, alright? Hey guys, Ron here. Day 2, done with the overnight, with the camp away. Alright, we're in the middle of raking the leaves back, so you can't really tell that anybody was here. Part of that, leave no trace. Take all your junk and clean up behind you. Right? Put Mother Nature back the way it was, as best you can. Because leaves will fall and everything, but you don't want the soil to erode. So helps with those leaves back, I guess. Anyway, Jimmy's out taking care of some morning constitutional stuff, because he can't cook. No, he can cook. Anyway, we're getting ready to hike back to the car. Still got about 1.5 miles, 2 miles maybe, 1.5 miles, somewhere around there. Trip back to the car, and then we'll be back. And then this trip will be done. All right. Had a good time. It's been a while since I've been out hiking like this. Long time. But hey, it was a great time. Encourage you if you got somebody, or you do it yourself, or you haven't done it in a while, and you don't go hard ass out there. I shouldn't say, just don't go hard on it. All right, get out there, ease into it a little bit. Don't try to kill yourself. This is a mild hike. Had some hills. Not going to tell you didn't have hills, but it wasn't a bad hike at all. And I'm glad I came. Glad Jim asked me. And if you have a chance, go over, check out his channel, Bahama Jim, right, on YouTube. And maybe if you're not subscribed, and you like this kind of content, he does this all the time, so maybe you can go subscribe to his channel, show him a little love. He's getting close to that 500 mark, I think, or maybe even close to 600. I'm not sure. He's really started growing here recently, but yeah, go over and check out his channel. Anyway, hey, got other videos to go make, so can't spend all my time here in the woods camping, right? So we're gonna get hiking, get back out of here, and finish up here. Got coffee done, just got done cooking it, and I want to enjoy a cup of coffee before you leave. So, all right, see you when we're on or at the car. Okay, bye. All right, the fire is out. Out. We're getting ready to go now. We're all packed up. Jim's got his stuff on, and just wanted to make sure our fire was completely out. Don't need to find out 3 weeks from now we burnt the place down because, one little ember made it down into the subsurface there in the peat and smoldered forever, and then a windstorm came along and blew it to life. I don't need to find that out. I don't want to be that guy. Before you leave, make sure it's out. Make sure it's out. Okay? Alright.
Oh, a casualty.
What's that?
A casualty.
Yeah, well, I guess I have to give my daughter some money to buy one, so it's not the end of the world, right?
No, always be worth
it. Look, the gates of heaven. Gospel's Trail takes you to the gates of heaven. It does exist. Huh? Alright, we are back. Too bad the dining hall ain't open. We could go in there and get something to eat now, but that's just like me, right? Thinking about where I can get the next meal. So anyway, we did a overnight hiking trip here with Jim, and back to the truck. We all lived, we survived, had a good time, enjoyed it. Thanks for coming along. If you're not already subscribed and you like my my content, hey, please consider subscribing. If not, that's okay. Hey, I understand. You got a lot of people out there you're more interested in approaching and being affiliated with, but I appreciate all the people that support me. So anyway, y'all take care, and hey, God bless y'all. Ciao.
Well,
that's what we walked all the way back here for. How far? About 2 miles. That's it. Lightweight walk for a fat guy like me. Yeah. I'll give you a quick look at the, we started down there and we hiked it back up in along the river here to the vista. And we'll probably circle around there and head back so that our walk out tomorrow's not so bad. And you know,
Uphill both ways.
yeah, it was like you can see how high up we are. We started out pretty close to the level of the river, and we're up here a couple hundred feet. So yeah, it wasn't just an easy walk. It was a walk though. So then we carried the old pack. I know some of you that's nothing, you know. You do that before, you know, you even think about going for a hiking trip. You know, just to get your stuff in the car. Well, not me. Not me.